Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Castro again, once again with YS Stocks and Options. And I hope you guys are doing good. We just wanted to go over the market forecast, the trade that we actually gave you guys as well, in addition to how we're doing when it comes to the market forecast. As you guys know, every week, right, we put out there uh, a stock that we're trading, but more importantly, looking at the technicals and why we chose that particular stock, right? Very, very important. So for this week, we chose to give you guys at least a trading idea. And that trading idea was lemonade, right? Lemonade, lemonade, lemonade. And believe it or not, Thursday, lemonade, not only did it hit our price target, see here, our price target was $19.93, but it exceeded that, ladies and gentlemen. It went past that target price that we had. And that itself was a successful trade for lemonade, right? Lemonade, that one did well. So I'm still in that trade, and just from my for your situation awareness, I'm still in it. I think it's going to grind a little bit lower. Perhaps I should have sold some today, but I didn't, right? But I'm still in that trade, but that was a successful trade here. So let's look at the futures. First, let's start with the IWM. So if you notice on our Facebook page and also on, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel for content such as this, but our Facebook page as well as our Instagram page, right? Please, please, please subscribe to our Instagram page as well, right? A lot of cool content that we put on there. For IWM in particular, our price target for this one was $182.42, right? We're not there yet, right? Not there just yet, but we're coming very, very close to it. And honestly, what I did for this one, I actually sold my positions here because it was only off by $1 and I was already in profits for this one in particular. So this is a Russell 2000 IWM. It's at 183.72. That's what it closed at. It actually went a little bit lower after hours. So post it was 130. Yeah, no, yeah, it closed at 183.57, but it jumped up just a little bit, right? So the price target for this one is 182.42, right? We still have some time on that one in particular, but it's definitely going in the direction that we want it to go, right? Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial. Dow Jones Industrial here. It says, see, our price target for this one was $325.07. Look at that. Boom. It hit it. It hit it today, right? We had a bearish Rami, right? As you guys notice here, we had a bearish Rami, and today, Thursday, we actually hit this one right on the money. It went actually lower than what we anticipated in particular, right? So this was success. Now let's look at the QQQ, the triple Qs. Success, right? Boom, right? Our price target for the Qs was $301.15, and look at that. It's at $299.53, right? $299.53. That's what it closed at post market. So that was a successful trade. So let's look at the S&P 500, right? Our price target for the S&P was $405. As you guys can see, right? It went lower than that. It's trading right now at 401.87. So that was money right there. That was really nice for this particular trade here, right? So that one did really, really well. And the last thing that I want to touch on was the VIX, right? We said that the VIX was gonna rally, right? It had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days, right? 11 straight days of downtrend, right? He actually broke the support area here and it started consolidating there, right? It declined, it started to accumulate right after decline, and it looks like it wants to advance, right? That's usually the next leg of the life cycle of this isolated and even stocks, right? So it popped. Look at this. This is our price target for the VIX. We say it was going to hit 26.15. And ladies and gentlemen, it's at 26.08 right now, right? The VIX. So all our forecasts pretty much definitely spot on, right? If they're not exactly where we say they were going to be, they're off by $1, which is that's small potatoes, right? Again, just want to give you guys an update on where exactly our forecast did and where they're at right now. If you like information such as this, you can always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? Please subscribe. Hit us up on Instagram. We're on there too. We'll put all our handles there. And yeah, just continue to share and like, and also tell your friends about us, right? This is why S Stocks and Options, right? This Castro signing out. Hope you guys have a good one, right? We always say practice logic over emotions. And more importantly, we'll see you guys at the finish line. Peace and be blessed.